breeding update for my chicks so far. Harlequins and red factors. Colouring up now. Didn't bother giving the red factors any colour until recent. But the Harlequins I give them colour from the start. As you can see, they're already nice and pink. That hen in there, she last time round had 7 eggs I think it was, but only 4 of them survived. Well, the other 3 didn't hatch. I keep trying with this pair, but she keeps on having clear eggs, don't know why. 2 spare hens. Spare cock I've separated. Another pair. Tried 2 or 3 times, but all the eggs are clear. I think the cock ain't no good. Had trouble with him last year. This pair of Harlequins down here are doing really well. We've got 5 chicks in there. Doing really well. She's a lovely hen, that one. And this red factor chick up here I've separated because the other birds were plucking it for some reason. I don't know why. She's got a little bit of a sore on her bottom, so I've just separated her. Hopefully her feathers will grow back. So that's it for the moment, but I'll be finishing up soon because I'm starting to run out of space. Got some lovely chicks, I'm well happy. Better than last year. Lovely bird, that one there.